I said on your Kawasaki, it's slippery.
The seat.
Yeah.
It's not when you're riding it.
It's not?
I can easily get the 4 in, but
I can take the power washer back.
where are you going to put it?
I have a couple places. I can put it on the trailer. I can put it in the barn.
Okay, well, I'll get it out and bring it over at some
Need
point.
to use it anyways.
Okay.
Yeah, I did a picture of us out there from here.
Oh.
So I'm gonna ask this young lady to do it for me. Thanks. So we're gonna go out by our scooters over there.
Oh, okay.
Go over to Coburn down along the stream. That's a long way. You have time for that?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Oh, report back to work?
Nope.
Yeah, screw it.
That's right. Screw it.
We're on scooters. We don't obey laws.
That's right.
We've been a good influence or a bad influence on Andy. He goes, I'm not going back to work now. It's a screw work.
That's the way to do it.
That's right.
Screw work.